The high winds are causing damage in many places tonight. Our Alicia Roberts has been traveling across the area looking at some of the issues.
Downed wires along Chestnut Street and Lincoln Road in Haddonfield, New Jersey, left residents in the dark. CBS News Philadelphia cameras also saw wires draped across nearby West Redmond and North Atlantic Avenues, although lights were still on for homes in the neighborhood. In Pennsylvania, power was also knocked out in University City at 40th and Locust Streets, cutting electric for several city blocks. We spotted PECO crews on scene starting to make repairs.
We are taking a really deep look at our outage maps and seeing which areas need support in the moment. We have added additional field crews.
Emergency officials are warning everyone with the threat of power outages to make sure your devices are charged before you go to sleep and have a flashlight ready just in case your electricity goes out. They're also warning everyone to make sure you secure any outdoor items that could blow away.
Not too far away along the steps of the Art Museum, the Eagles championship flags were whipping in the wind.
Does it feel like it's going to blow you away?
A little bit, yeah. It does. It's pretty, it's gusty.
A gust so strong also knocked over this more than 10 feet tall Jalen Carter cutout onto college student Max Mingo.
So it's been really windy outside, and that just came down. A big statue just came down on me. It hit me in the shoulder, but I'm okay.
Hit him with this. He got tackled.
I got tackled.
By Jalen Carter.
By Jalen Carter.
Fortunately, he wasn't hurt and is chalking this wild experience up to Mother Nature.
I've never felt wind like this.
Alicia Roberts, CBS News, Philadelphia.